Ready to ditch the marketing chaos and unlock a world of automated efficiency? Today, we're diving into how you can use Zapier to supercharge your marketing, connecting your favorite tools and platforms to work together seamlessly. First things first, log into your Zapier account or sign up for a free trial. If you're new, the magic starts on your dashboard. Let's create our first Zap. Click Create Zap. Think about what kicks off your marketing workflow. For example, let's say you want to automatically add anyone who emails you to a Google Sheet. Select Gmail as your trigger. Choose New Email as your trigger event. Then connect your Gmail account. Zapier will ask for permission to access your Gmail. Don't worry, it's secure. Now, let's choose our action app, Google Sheets, and for the action event, select Create Spreadsheet Row. Connect your Google Sheets account. Select the spreadsheet you want to use, and then the fun part, mapping the data. This tells Zapier which information from the email, like the sender's name and email address, should go into which columns in your spreadsheet. Click Test Trigger to pull in a sample email. Then test action to see if the data flows to your Google Sheet correctly. If everything looks good, turn your Zap on. But that's just scratching the surface. You can connect Facebook lead ads to your CRM, automatically add new leads to email marketing lists in MailChimp, or even trigger personalized follow-up emails based on customer actions in HubSpot. The possibilities are endless. Experiment, explore, and automate your way to marketing success.